We drove around Singapore, and here you will see the Helix Bridge. Near the Helix Bridge is the Esplanade, a durian-shaped theater. Of course, the tour will not be complete without a chance to see the Marina Bay Sands and the famous Merlion. Hi everyone! We're here at the Merlion, and then at my back is the Marina Bay Sands, and then the theater. The Merlion is a mythical creature that is half fish and half lion. Everyone just loves to take crazy photos at this area. We were fortunate to try out the Singapore Flyer during our stay. This experience gives you a panoramic view of the whole city. Singapore Flyer is Asia's largest giant observation wheel. From the capsule, you can see iconic and historical landmarks of Singapore. If it's your first time in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and maybe you could also hit that bell button so you will be notified whenever I have new uploads.